Hi everyone, I'm making a very brief and short video for the people who's looking to become driving instructor and looking forward a career as a driving instructor. This video is especially for the people who has not started the process yet, or they already have done DBS check or maybe part 1. Remember, the follow very simple steps is not going to cost you anything. To become driving instructor should not cost you much. Do not get a scam or get trapped by the big driving school. Please don't do that. The step number 1, DBS check. Go online, Google it, go on website. To become driving instructor, check criteria. Just check if you're eligible to become driving instructor. Follow the link, apply DBS. Job done. DBS is going to cost you £8.50. You don't need to pay £1,600 to get signed by the big driving schools. Don't do this. Step number 2, when DBS received, register with DVSA. Go on a website again, register to become driving instructor. You will receive a response from DVSA within 1 day, 2 days, maybe within 10 days through email. They will send you a letter as well. It costs you £0. So step number 1, DBS check. Step number 2, get registered with DVSA. It's not going to cost you anything yet. Then is part 1. You need to book your part 1, which is theoretical test. Theory test you book in with DVSA, cost is £81. Buy an app, £4.99, and that's it. Read them 100 times. Buy a DVSA book. Buy a used book. It's going to cost you maybe £5 or £10. That's it. Please don't sign any contract or don't go to any big school. They're going to send you the same material with their names on. You are the one you're going to read them through. Don't. All material available between £5 or £10 online. Don't. Please don't. That's all I can say to you. If you struggle, send me the message. I will send you the links. Buy a material for £4.99 or maybe on eBay, Amazon. Just buy a book, second-hand book, DVSA. So DBS check, step 1, cost you £8.50. DVSA registration, £0. Part 1 theory test, just booking test, £81. Nothing else. Material already available between £4.99, which is online, eBay, Amazon, etc. or Apple app. And if you want to buy a book, second-hand book gonna cost you £5-10 only. Don't spend any extra money, please. Your choice. You go to big schools, you get stuck, you will cry tomorrow. You regret 100%. Maybe you say to yourself, you know what, I'm satisfied. No, you're not satisfied because you don't know where have you stuck. Once you've done part 1 training, then it's a part 2 driving test. Driving skill test, simple. You must be driving years and years. You just need to book your test, near a test center, find a driving instructor nearby, just take 1-to-1 lesson with him. You don't need to take a lesson from audit trainer. If I need to open my business, I don't need to have a MBA degree. This experienced driving instructors available. Just pay them as you learn. Possible £40-50 per hour. 2-hour lesson, pay them £80. You may need 2 or 3 lessons only. Maybe mostly 5 lessons. It's going to cost you nothing. 5 lessons. Just pay them when you take a lesson. Why you want to register yourself with a driving school, sign a contract for 2 years, and you're stuck? Charge you like £800, £1,100, £1,600, even £1,800 for what? Providing you same material according to DVSA guideline. But DVSA gave us their own books. DVSA material already also available online. Do not get scammed. Do not get stuck. Big businessmen, not disrespect to them. They're doing their business, fair enough. But charging £1,600, and people like you, like us, we don't know much of it, we get stuck with them for 2 years. I become driving instructor. I did not spend money or get stuck with any contract. I just done my own research. So please be very, very careful. So up till part 2, you haven't spent any money at all. Remember, if you try to do part 2 with big driving school, they charge you a lot of money. They send your material again, MSPSL routine, read through the book, read through this link, blah blah blah, watch the link. They will send you YouTube or whatever. They have their own videos, all available online, absolutely free. So up till part 2 you can easily get done industry and pass without spending much. No contract. Now part 3. For part 3 you have to do 40 hours compulsory training if you're looking forward to get a pink badge, and my recommendation is yes, you do need a pink badge. But remember, again, these big driving schools, big brand who is spending thousands of pounds of their advert and asking people to become driving instructor, why are they spending money? Think about it. Because they want to trap you for 2 years contract with them. What they're going to send you? For 40 hours training, they will send you the link or something, or online training material which already available everywhere, and they're going to charge you £1,600 with 2 years contract with them, a franchise contract. Why? And you will be signing happily. Oh, £1,600, I can afford that. Oh, I can make £300 a week or £600 a week or £1,000 a week because the school told you. No, it doesn't work like that. So 40 hours training is compulsory. Get local driving instructor or school, and whatever training you take, 40 hours compulsory training to get the pink badge. So whatever training you take, one-to-one training, sit with them. Not like 4 people sitting in a car and you're doing a training with other 4 people. No, it's wrong. One-to-one training. Yes, a big driving school will kind of trap you for 40 hours training. They will provide you material for 20 hours. And they say you're 20 hours done. No, it doesn't. And then if you have done, say, 10 hours with them as a part 2, they will include that. Oh, we done part 2 as well. They include in it. And then they will do possible 4 or 5 lessons with you guys. But in those 4 lessons or 5 lessons, whatever they, if they do, I don't know. I'm not saying they don't do it, but if they do it, they will have 1 trainee here, 3 trainee behind you. So 4 trainee and a trainer sitting in the same car. Everyone has paid £1,600 individual money. For what? 1, 2, 3, 4. How can you swim, learn to swim just watching a video? No, you got to be depend. So training should be one-to-one. I would say it must be one-to-one. What is the reason we have a people who's not passing part 3 easily? The reason behind it, the training is very, very weak. Because most instructors, they don't know. They're just thinking to start earning money. I don't blame them. Of course, job is important. We all need to pay our bills. Absolutely understandable. But don't get trapped by the big brand names, because they're selling you something which easily available for no cost or very extremely little cost. You do not need to sign any contract. Anyone signing a contract with you, ask yourself, why does I need to sign a contract for? Don't sign any contract. Those 40 hours training has to be one-to-one. Not like self-reading and research this and that. They just give you a link. Okay, go through with this. No, thank you. So please, when you thinking to become driving instructor, or you're done part 1 by yourself, or you're doing a part 1, please don't get trapped. You do not need to spend that much money to become driving instructor. Please don't get trapped. I'm just trying to help everyone, because 3 inquiries I received this week, and the poor people has spent already between £1,100 to £1,600, and they said the training they have received already. 4 people in a car. Would you believe that? One of them has not done even part 2 yet. He already paid £1,600. That's a joke. Don't do that. Be very, very careful. Very careful. If you have any question, just message me. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked it, thank you for watching. I'm just literally trying to help everyone. I am just trying to help everyone. Have a good day. And good luck.